Tanks is not a word with a full meaning. However, if you are referring to the military vehicles known as tanks, the word is actually an abbreviation of tank vehicle. The first tanks were developed during World War I and were originally known as landships. However, the British Army wanted to keep the project secret, so they referred to it as a water tank to mislead any spies who might have overheard their conversations. The name stuck, and eventually the word tank became the official designation for these armored vehicles. It's worth noting that tank can also be used as a verb meaning to store or contain something in a tank. For example, you might say I need to tank up my car with gas, or we're going to tank this water for later use. Tanks have evolved significantly since their development during World War I. Initially, tanks were slow, cumbersome vehicles that were unreliable and often got stuck in the mud. However, over the years, advances in technology and engineering have made tanks more mobile, more powerful, and more effective on the battlefield. Here are some of the key developments that have occurred in tank design over the years. 1. Improved mobility. Tanks have become faster and more maneuverable, with advances in engines, transmissions, and suspension systems. This has made them more effective in both offensive and defensive operations. 2. Better armor. Modern tanks are equipped with advanced armor materials and designs that provide better protection against a variety of threats, including enemy fire, mines, and improvised explosive devices (IEDs). 3. More powerful weapons. Tanks are now equipped with a range of powerful weapons, including cannons, machine guns, and missiles that can be used against both armored and unarmored targets. 4. Improved communication and targeting systems. Modern tanks are equipped with advanced communication and targeting systems that allow them to share information with other vehicles and units on the battlefield, and to accurately target and engage enemy positions. 5. Increased automation. Some modern tanks are equipped with advanced automation systems that allow them to operate with fewer crew members, reducing the risk to personnel and increasing operational efficiency. Overall, these advances have made tanks more effective and lethal on the battlefield, and they remain a key component of many military arsenals around the world. What are some potential future developments in tank technology? There are several potential future developments in tank technology that could further enhance the capabilities and effectiveness of these vehicles. Here are a few examples. 1. Electrification. As battery technology continues to improve, some experts predict that future tanks may be equipped with electric powertrains that offer improved efficiency and lower emissions compared to traditional diesel engines. 2. Autonomous operation. The use of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems could allow tanks to operate with even greater autonomy, reducing the need for human operators and increasing their effectiveness in certain situations. 3. Directed energy weapons. Some experts predict that tanks of the future may be equipped with directed energy weapons, such as lasers or particle beams that can destroy targets with extreme precision and speed. 4. Active protection systems. Modern tanks are equipped with reactive armor that can deflect incoming projectiles, but future tanks may also be equipped with active protection systems that use sensors and interceptors to shoot down incoming threats before they can hit the vehicle. 5. Modular design. Future tanks may be designed with modular components that can be easily swapped out or upgraded, allowing them to be adapted to different missions or environments. These are just a few examples of potential future developments. There are many other military technologies that are being developed alongside potential tank advancements. Here are a few examples. 1. Unmanned aerial vehicles. UAVs. Drones have become an increasingly important part of modern warfare, providing intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities to military forces. UAVs can also be used to deliver precision airstrikes or to conduct electronic warfare. 2. Artificial intelligence. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data and to help commanders make better decisions on the battlefield. AI-powered systems can also be used to control unmanned vehicles or to identify and track enemy targets. 3. Cybersecurity. As military operations become increasingly reliant on digital systems and networks, cybersecurity has become a top priority. Military forces are developing advanced cybersecurity tools and techniques to protect their networks from cyber attacks and disrupt the networks of their adversaries. 4. Advanced sensors. Improved sensors such as radar, lidar, and sonar can provide military forces with better situational awareness and targeting capabilities. These sensors can be used on a variety of platforms, including aircraft, ships, and ground vehicles. 5 hypersonic weapons. Hypersonic missiles and other weapons can travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, making them difficult to defend against and providing military forces with the ability to strike targets with unprecedented speed and precision. These are just a few examples of the many military technologies that are being developed alongside potential tank advancements. As military forces around the world seek to maintain their technological edge, we can expect to see continued investment in these and other advanced technologies.